What if I told you you could spend $20 and technically have a chance to earn over $270,000 in Bitcoin? This is not a scam, this is not a financial advice, and this is definitely not a smart way to invest serious money. But it is one of the most interesting ways to experience Bitcoin mining. This is basically a $20 Bitcoin miner. With this little 3D printed case, I'm gonna use this to solo mine Bitcoin. And if you are wondering why I'm going to solo mine, which is basically I'm not going to get a little bit of Bitcoin every day, I'm going to have a small chance to earn the complete share of the Bitcoin block, where you would earn over $270,000 worth of Bitcoin, over $250,000 of Bitcoin, over 3.125 Bitcoin, because that's the block reward, plus whatever transaction fees happened in that block, which happens like clockwork every 10 minutes. So yeah, for nearly $20, we can take our shot at acquiring $1 trillion asset. I don't know how close you follow Bitcoin, but it's literally worth trillions of dollars. There's Bitcoin ETFs, there's publicly traded Bitcoin mining farms worth millions, hundreds of millions, and even billions. The Bitcoin industry is not going anywhere. A cryptocurrency exchange that specializes in simply trading Bitcoin has a massive market cap as well. Bitcoin is not only getting bigger and worth more because it has digital scarcity of 21 million coins maximum verified on chain. They are basically running low on coins to mine. The block reward halves every 4 years, so the best time to start mining Bitcoin was yesterday, the next best time is today, and the next best time is going to be tomorrow. I'm Alvin. I'm trying hard to make the best videos I can and build playlists step by step for beginners who want to start mining, show people how to learn more, earn more. In addition, our team has been doing end-to-end mining farm EPC for years, covering design, build, operation, and everything you are hearing comes from real projects. Actually, there are kinds of models, different shapes, and this one I have here is Nerdminer. It's hard to imagine that this little thing is my ticket to maybe hit the next Bitcoin block. To put it into perspective, it has a very small Bitcoin hash rate, but it also with extremely low power consumption, like just 1 watt. And it's easy to set up even if you only have a phone. You don't need a computer or anything like that. And I also have one, seems like a USB. It's now by my side. It's a pity that I can't show you right now. That one really confused me with the real USB. So interesting. Alright, back to this one. This is really small with a simple appearance. You only have to plug one power cable in like this. Okay, I love this cool sleek form factor. They are not look like an old school Antminer like S19. I can't believe that I'm saying it's an old school these days, but that was the best Bitcoin miner like 7 years ago. Now the best Bitcoin miner, there's several model variations, but one of them would be like the Nerdminer S21 XP. Also, this one has a magnet that you can alternate on the back, like this. You can see. So I could just stick this over my cabinet if I wanted to. Besides, you do get a pretty cool case, and you do get some enhanced cooling capabilities and just fun novelty. This is like literally a micro miner. And yeah, these little mini miners have a micro shot. They are micro miners, they're fun, they're toys, they are gadgets, they are novelties, that's why they just cost $20. To input whatever your mining hash rate is, to see what your odds are, how much luck you would need to have to hit the next Bitcoin block. If you want the bigger shot in hitting a Bitcoin block, check out the bitaxes like this. They're basically the big brother to the microminers. There's also the lucky miner that literally use this display to make them even cooler and have a much higher hash rate. And for reference, someone running a bitaxes hit a block just a month ago, taking a basically $200 Bitcoin miner that you can plug in anywhere and turning it into over $250,000 worth of Bitcoin. If that's not fucking cool, insane, crazy, I don't know what to tell you. You still got a lot to learn. I'll take it personal. Hey, do you want to buy a mining rig? You want a pretty price on it and pretty fast shipping? Then you may be looking for Asic Marketplace. Click in our link in the video description below. Tell customer service that you are an Elven fan to receive a discount. I'm gonna show you just how quick and easy this is to set up and start mining Bitcoin essentially anywhere. Two, these all generate a Wi-Fi network with the same name. Typically, you only buy one of these, so you tap in your Wi-Fi SSID, punch your password, then put in the mining pool information that you want to use. By default, these are always set up to public pool, so literally all you have to do is just paste your Bitcoin address and click save, and you'll be up in mining. If you need a Bitcoin address, just download the Bitcoin wallet or an exchange. They are free and easy to get. Yeah, I just posted a video telling the difference between them. And there's a lot of different ways to do it. They also provide a setup guide document if you are still confused. Sure, I hope if you buy one of these and you give it to a friend, a relative, enemy, whatever. Then you send them more video and you say, hey, watch this video, it's a review and a setup guide. But if not, they've got a little pamphlet in there that should allow anyone to take their time and get started. If you have questions, join our Telegram team. We are happy to help you work through this. And these are cool, these are fun, these are incredible little units and to boys. And if you are looking for a random cheap birthday gift for your Bitcoin bro, your Bitcoin dad or son, here it is. Anyone is looking for a fun stocking stuffer, here it is. Right, the hash rate is small, but it's also a small cheap device that you basically uses no power. If you think these odds are bad, you clearly don't understand typical lottery odds like the Powerball or just scratch off tickets at the gas station. These are absolutely palatable mining odds. So if you think this stuff is cool and if you want to grab one of other mini miners, I'll link the good ones down below. You know, a couple $100 to several $100s. You spend more, you essentially get more.